Hey Motorheads, do you recognize which car this key belongs to? If you guessed Mini Cooper, then you're absolutely right. Now I'm the OVR guy, and in this video I'll show you a protective silicone cover for the stylish and rounded Mini Cooper key. There are many colors available for this cover, and I purchased 6 of them. Let me know in the comments which one looks best. By the way, have you ever driven a Mini Cooper? Let me know in the comments as well. Doesn't the blue one look nice? The cover is made of elastic and durable material, allowing you to see which parts of the key are protected and which ones are not. Inserting the key requires some effort, but don't hesitate to use a little force to make it fit securely. Voila! The key is now covered with no loose spots. You can see the Mini logo through a small window, and the key can be detached if necessary. The material has a nice feel when held in the hand, and after using it for several months, I can confirm that this is an extremely durable cover. To remove the cover, use some force and pull it off. Now let me show you how the key looks with the other covers. To learn more about this Mini Cooper key cover, please visit my website at www.originalvideoreviews.com. Overall, this car key cover is affordable, comes in almost 30 colors, and after using it for 3-4 months, it shows no signs of wear. On the downside, it is a relatively simple cover with only nice color option. It does not cover the entire key, and pressing the buttons does not feel smooth and flawless. This requires me to press the buttons multiple times, especially if I'm unsure if my car is locked, and can shorten the battery life. I will be reviewing other car accessories, so be sure to stay up to date with my latest reviews by subscribing to my YouTube channel and visit my website originalvideoreviews.com. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time, bye bye.